Hey everyone, it's Brandon here with the Dumbbell. Today we have a great 10-minute fast light flash cardio workout. So with today's workout, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna try to get as many rounds of the 4 exercises we can get in for 10 minutes. So we're gonna get started with fast high knees. We're gonna do 50 fast high knees. And if you're just doing high knees, they're gonna look like this, but we're gonna go laterally on these fast high knees. So how this is gonna work is we're just gonna count to 50. Just make sure if you have weights or anything like that, just push them off to the side. But we're gonna just keep going back and forth laterally, get your arms moving. And this will be a great way to get started and get your heart rate up. So we're gonna do 50 fast high knees laterally. Now the next one we're gonna do is we're gonna split our legs just like this. We're gonna just split our legs back and forth, and I want you to just do 25 on this exercise. And if you can't hop, then just go 2 steps in, 2 steps out as fast as you guys can go. So 25 on the splitting legs. Now we're gonna get down on the ground, and we're gonna do mountain climbers. So we're gonna do 50 mountain climbers. They're gonna look like this. Bring our legs in, keep your back straight. Make sure you get your butt down low as well. And then we're just gonna count 25 each leg. So it's gonna be 50 total. And if you can't get all the way down on the ground, you have some sort of a stool or a bench or a chair or some step to hold on to. Make sure it's sturdy enough, but that's one way that you can modify this a little bit too. So we got 50 on the mountain climbers. We're gonna stand back up, and we got 25 side to side squats. So it's a great way to get the heart rate, keep it elevated, and still work out your legs as well. So 25 side-to-side squats, back and forth. You can tell I'm even a little out of breath doing those. So get as many rounds as you guys can get in for that 10 minutes. It's gonna be a great way to keep that heart rate elevated and burn a lot of calories in a short period of time. So if you guys like this workout, make sure to click on the like button, leave a comment. We'd love to hear from you. And if you like this workout and actually want a physical hard copy, we will send it to you. So if you go to the description, there should be a link there. Click on that link, fill out the form, and we'll send you this actual workout that you guys can do at home. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.